In the heart of the 16th century, amidst the grandeur and opulence of the French Renaissance, King Charles IX sat on his throne, a monarch lost in the labyrinth of his own thoughts. The king, a man of great power and prestige, was plagued by an existential crisis of the most philosophical nature. This crisis was born from the teachings of the philosophers of the time, particularly those of the school of Absurdism. The Absurdists, led by Michel de Montaigne and Blaise Pascal, posited that life was inherently meaningless, and that human efforts to find significance were futile. This idea resonated with the young king, who found himself questioning the very purpose of his reign. Charles IX was a king in name, but a man in doubt. His reign was marked by the wars of religion, a series of conflicts that tore France apart. The king, burdened by the bloodshed and the despair of his people, felt a disconnect between his divine right to rule and the chaos that reigned around him. In the quiet of his chambers, the king would ponder the Absurdists' arguments. He would ask himself, what is the point of ruling if one's actions lead only to more death and destruction? He felt the weight of his crown pressing down on him, questioning his very existence. His courtiers, however, were oblivious to the king's inner turmoil. They saw him as a strong and resolute leader, a man who could bring order out of chaos. But the king knew better. He knew that he was but a puppet, dancing to the tune of a world that made no sense. The king's crisis deepened, and his reign became a testament to the Absurdists' teachings. He ordered the St. Bartholomew's Day massacre, a bloody event that further solidified his reputation as a ruthless ruler. But to the king, it was a futile attempt to find meaning in the chaos, a desperate cry in the abyss. In the end, King Charles IX's reign was a testament to the Absurdism philosophy. A man who held the power of life and death, yet felt the weight of his own insignificance. A king who sought meaning in chaos, but found only more chaos in return. His reign ended, and he was laid to rest, his legacy a testament to the philosophical turmoil that consumed him. But his story lives on, a reminder of the absurdity of existence and the futile search for meaning in a world that often seems devoid of it.